So short field takeoff means we get a few revs up. Milawa traffic, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor rolling runway 20 for an upwind departure to Moorabbin, Milawa. Speed's alive. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. We've got revs 40, 50, 60, up we go. Just to the trees, and watch them go by underneath. Oh.
It's quite pretty round here.
Yeah. Flaps up.
Wangaratta traffic, Jabiru 7630, 10 miles to the east, inbound at 1,500 feet, Wangaratta.
Nobody ahead, nobody right, nobody left. Hey. Should be alright. That gap in the mountains we're going through.
Yep.
So heading, alt, and nav. Gap in the mountains.
You've done this
Yeah.
one before? Right.
Yeah. If you have a look around here, we've got some 3,000 feet. We're at 4.5, so 3,000 feet here, 3 here, 2,000 there, 2,100 there. There's nothing around here that's going to concern us at 4.5. Have a look. If we're going to, this is just a band of cloud. I don't think there's anything beyond it. We might climb. See airspace around here. Flight levels at 7.5. Okay, we'll go up. Off autopilot.
Milawa traffic, Jabiru 8122 is 10 miles to the southwest at 1,300 feet, inbound Milawa. Estimated circuit time 27, Milawa traffic.
Milawa traffic, Jabiru 4535 is 10 miles to the southwest at 1,300, inbound Milawa.
The jet going over the top of us. Long way up.
In the RNAV for you on track 6?
Moorabbin, Sierra Charlie, Lima Kilo Whiskey.
Kilo Whiskey, Alpha Joe, Bravo Sierra Charlie.
Lima Kilo Whiskey, Project Farming south. 1044, request off traffic to the centre around.
Top band 44, there is no reported IFR traffic at this stage. There has been VFR parachute operations, course on Oscar Zulu Alpha. Can't see them airborne at this stage.
Traffic 44.
going high, 7.5.
Lieutenant Torch 41, confirm identification services are terminated.
Torch 41 identification is terminated.
Torch 41, copy.
We've got 27 miles to go.
Fine.
We want to be at 4,500 when we get there.
41, copy.
So we're going to come down 3,000 feet. 500 feet a minute is 6 minutes, is 12 miles. And it's nice, cleared up nicely now. About 4 or 5 miles to go until I start my descent down to 4.5. And a standard descent's 500 feet a minute. So if I go a little bit further and I need to come down faster, there's no problem. But at the moment, that little lump of cloud there is something I don't want to fly through. Just from a legal point of view, not from a safety point of view. And left in 7 seconds.
Handler with our traffic Juliet Hotel Echoes, overhead Sugarloaf Reservoir, passing 1,700 on climb to 2,000 and tracking southbound for Moorabbin. Order.
And when we get to Sugarloaf, we need to be at 2,500.
Cold Stream traffic, micro line 2604.
I've got to come down 2,000. 4 minutes, 8 miles.
Traffic helicopter Juliet. Have you calculated those altitudes, or is it the pilot thing?
Well, when we were back there, we could have gone to any altitude we liked, but that lower level, 4.5, is controlled airspace. So I can't go into controlled airspace without a clearance.
Okay.
So that's why I wanted to be at 4.5 at Glenburn. So this area here is 4.5. This area here is 2.5.
Nice, I get it.
So I'm just going to make that step descent. Lilydale Coldstream traffic and Eastern Lane, Bravo Sierra Victor at 2,500, overflying Sugarloaf for Moorabbin. Lilydale Coldstream traffic.
Victor 8704, med downwind, touching A.
Foxbat 8094, correction, Vixen 8704, follow Cessna late downwind.
Victor 8704.
Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor at Academy 1,500, inbound with Sierra.
Press air transit, ready.
20 go.
Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor at Academy 1,500, inbound with Sierra.
The yellow Foxbat or Vixen short final request your course line.
Foxbat 8700.
Foxbat 8700, clear touch and go.
Please up to Foxbat 8700.
Bravo Sierra Victor Moorabbin Tower, join wide downwind, runway 35 right, report stand down.
35 right, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Moorabbin Tower, helicopter X-ray Alpha Zulu at the southern pad or low level on from the eastern graft with Sierra, request air transit.
X-ray Alpha
Stand down,
Zulu,
race
35 left. X-ray Alpha Zulu, hold short 35 left.
Hold short 35 left, X-ray Alpha Zulu.
Foxbat 8094 for full stop.
Foxbat 8094, roger. Follow Vixen on base.
Vixen on left, Foxbat 8094.
See Moorabbin Airport over there. Boy.
Echo Whiskey Foxtrot, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Echo Whiskey Foxtrot. Moorabbin Tower, or yet Tango Alpha Juliet, ready on 35 right for training area.
Alpha Juliet, hold position. Extra absolutely without delay, air transit cross runways 17, correction 35 left and right.
35 left and right, X-ray Alpha Zulu.
Bravo Sierra Victor, stand down.
Sierra Victor, follow the Cessna about to turn downwind.
Looking, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Moorabbin Tower 8704, downwind for touch and go.
Because correct, Ray, follow Cessna upwind, cleared immediate takeoff.
Cleared immediate takeoff, Echo X-ray.
Vixen 8704, follow Cessna late downwind.
8704.
Yeah, he's just been given an immediate takeoff.
Foxtrot 8094 for full stop.
Follow Vixen ahead. Foxtrot 8094, follow Vixen ahead.
Copy traffic, Foxtrot 8094.
Bravo Sierra Victor, clear to land.
Clear land, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Moorabbin Tower, Echo Uniform Echo, Cessna 172, approaching GMH 1500 with Sierra, inbound request circuits on arrival.
Uniform Echo, circuits not available, join base 35 right, report parcel.
Join base 35 right and copied, Echo Uniform Echo.
This one. You can see that yellow thing.
Foxtrot 8700, good touch and go.
That plane didn't want a dilly-dally.
Echo from Echo, how many circuits do you want?
Just one if available, Echo Uniform Echo.
Okay, you can get one, expect that.
Thank you.
Okay, and it goes to ground. Moorabbin ground, Bravo Sierra Victor on Alpha 4, request taxi to the open.
Hold short, runway 35 left.
Hold short 35 left, Bravo Sierra Victor.